ॐ शुक्लाम्भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृते कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्तिव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलादरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വിണ്ടൂമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീടേണ്ടാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Okay, everyone, welcome to the last stretch of 50. So we'll get started on this. So Nikki, we'll start with 2 and then we'll probably get to 3 as well. And maybe towards the end, we'll reserve like 5 minutes to maybe plan next week's class, what you all want to do, right? Whether you want to learn one more or practice. And then briefly touch on the May 9th also. Okay. So Nikki, so Danya, you and Amuchechi, you can also be you both can be students today. Okay. So let's get started with the second chapter. So the second chapter on this, like the first chapter was describing why Guruvayurappan was important, and in the second chapter, Bhattacharya is actually describing the form of the Lord, right? Because he had not written 100 at this point, right? So he was describing how the Lord is, and then eventually in 100 he actually saw, and then he described that was 100. So the 2 is pretty similar to 100 in terms of the description and everything. So we'll get started. Stanza 1. सूर्यस्पर्धिकिरीटमूर्ध्वतिलकप्रोद्भासि फालान्तरम् कारुण्याकुलनेत्रमार्दहसितोल्लासं सुनासापुटम् घण्टोऽध्यन्मकराभकुण्डलयुगम् कण्ठोज्ज्वलत्कौस्तुभम् त्वद्रूपं वनमाल्यहारपटलश्रीवत्सधीप्रं भजे. So, Surya Spardhi Kiritam Urdhva Tilaka Prodbhasi Phalantaram, Karunyakula Netram Ardra. So Netram Ardra, Netram Ardra Hasitollasam Sunasaputam. सूर्यस्पर्धि किरीटम ऊर्ध्वतिलक प्रोद्भासि फालांतरम कारुण्याकुल नेत्रमार्द हसितोल्लासं सुनासापुटम.
Now first
oh yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
सूर्यस्पर्धि किरीटमूर्ध्वतिलक प्रोद्भासि फालान्तरम् कारुण्याकुलनेत्रमार्द्रहसितोल्लासं सुनासापुटम्. सूर्यस्पर्धि किरीटमूर्ध्वतिलक प्रोद्भासि फालान्तरम् कारुण्याकुलनेत्रमार्द्रहसितोल्लासं सुनासापुटम्.
सूर्यस्पर्धि किरीटमूर्ध्वतिलक प्रोद्भासि फालान्तरम् कारुण्याकुलनेत्रमार्द्रहसितोल्लासं सुनासापुटम्. सूर्यस्पर्धि किरीटमूर्ध्वतिलक प्रोद्भासि फालान्तरम् कारुण्याकुलनेत्रमार्द्रहसितोल्लासं सुनासापुटम्.
Gandodhyan Makarabha Kundala Yugam, there. Kanto Jwalat Kaustubham, Twadrupam Vanamalya Hara Patala Srivatsa Deepram Bhaje. Gandodhyan Makarabha Kundala Yugam Kanthojwalat-kaustubham Twadrupam Vanamalyahara-patala Srivatsadipram bhaje.
Gandodhyanmakarabhakundala-yugam Kanthojwalat-kaustubham Twadrupam Vanamalyahara-patala Srivatsadipram bhaje. Gandodhyanmakarabhakundala-yugam Kanthojwalat-kaustubham Twadrupam Vanamalyahara-patala Srivatsadipram bhaje.
Gandodhyanmakarabhakundala-yugam Kanthojwalat-kaustubham Twadrupam Vanamalyahara-patala Srivatsadipram bhaje. Gandodhyanmakarabhakundala-yugam Kanthojwalat-kaustubham Twadrupam Vanamalyahara-patala Srivatsadipram bhaje.
Stanza 2. So in the first 2 stanzas, pretty much like on a daily basis, it's like a dhyana slokam, right? So in the Vishnu Sahasranama Dhyanam Churati, we just describe the Lord, right? So in the first 2 are essentially pretty much that. So you could kind of say it on a daily basis also. So stanza 2. केयूराङ्गद कङ्कणोत्तम महारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित श्रीमद्बाहु चतुष्क संगद गदा शङ्कारि पङ्केरुहाम् काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्छितलसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम् आलम्बे विमलाम्बुजद्युतिपदां मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम्. So केयूराङ्गद Kankanottama Maharatnanguli, and the Maharatna Anguli Ankita. It's three different words, so you will not be able to separate it. So it's Maharatnanguli Ankita. You kind of say it together, but you can kind of in your mind Maharatna Anguliya Ankita. Those are the three separations, and then you can put a plus at the very end. So continuous and then plus. So the first two lines are together. So Anguliyankita Srimad Bahu Chatushka Sangada Gada Shankari Pankeruham. So kind of describing the four arms with what he's holding in each arm. Kehyurangada Kankanottama Maharatnanguliyankita Srimad Bahu Chatushka Sangada Gada Shankari Pankeruham.
केयूराङ्गद कङ्कणोत्तम महारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित श्रीमद्बाहु चतुष्क संगत गदा शङ्खारि पङ्केरुहाम् केयूराङ्गद कङ्कणोत्तम महारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित श्रीमद्बाहु चतुष्क संगत गदा शङ्खारि पङ्केरुहाम्
केयूराङ्गद कङ्गणोत्तम महारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित श्रीमद्बाहु चतुष्क संगद गदा शङ्कारि पङ्केरुहाम् केयूराङ्गद कङ्गणोत्तम महारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित श्रीमद्बाहु चतुष्क संगद गदा शङ्कारि पङ्केरुहाम्
Kanchit Kanchana Kanchi Lanchitha Lasat Pitambaralambinim. So put a im at the end of it. Pitambaralambinim, im, and then comma. The next line in the Malambe, just make it Alambe. So Alambe Bimalambuja Dyuti Padam Murthim. I don't know, some books may have Murti. You just put a im there. Murthim Tavartichidam. Okay. So Kanchana, Kanchi, Lanchita, Lasat, Pitambaralambini. Kanchit.
Fourth line la comma kadayada.
The third line is full, fourth line is full on its own. Kanchit Kanchana Kanchi Lanchita Lasat Pitambaralambini Alambe Vimalam Bujadyudipadam Murtim Tavartichidam.
Kanchit Kanchana Kanchilanchita Lasat Pitambaralambini Alambe Vimalambujadyutipadam Murtim Tavartichidam. Kanchit Kanchana Kanchilanchita Lasat Pitambaralambini Alambe Vimalambujadyutipadam Murtim Tavartichidam.
Kanchit Kanchana Kanchilanchita Lasat Pitambaralambini Alambe Vimalambujadyutipadam Murtim Tavartichidam. Kanchit Kanchana Kanchilanchita Lasat Pitambaralambini Alambe Vimalambujadyutipadam Murtim Tavartichidam.
So just one interesting thing, right? I don't know how many of you have Sanskrit background, but in the Sanskrit, la samasan that's like one of the grammatical rule, which is pretty complicated. So in the first line, that the Surya Spardi Kiritam Urdhva Tilaka, that particular thing. So in just the word Surya Spardi, right? One word, the samas which is written in my book here is Suryena Saha Spardate iti. So the one which is equivalent, shining, Spardate, Saha Suryena, as bright as the sun. Iti Suryaspardi. So that word Suryaspardi is really, it's like it's formed in real time, right? Because the Suryena Saha Spardhyate iti Suryaspardi. So that's like a real time formation of the word Suryaspardi. And then Suryaspardi, you kind of take the compounded word Suryaspardi. Kiritam Yasya. So the crown which is like Suryaspardi, that one is Suryaspardi Kiritam. So that one word Suryaspardi Kiritam is actually like if you write it, it's actually like a sentence, right? But it is condensed into like one single word Suryaspardi Kiritam, right? Adunada andamari sentences when it comes like the samas comes, right? That entire stanza, it's like, and the next two stanzas are all that samas. You can't break it anywhere. You kind of have to say it together because it is like a real time formed word. Andamari. So it is just very interesting. Of course, எனக்கு அது நிறைய தெரியாது, but it's very interesting if you start getting into it. Okay, so third stanza. Yatrailokyamahiyyasopi mahitham sammohanam mohanat kantam kanti nidhanatopi maduram madhurya dhuryadapi saundaryottaratopi sundharataram त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णादि विष्णो विभो. यत् त्रैलोक्य महीयसोऽपि महितं, comma after महितं, सम्मोहनं मोहनात्, comma, कान्तं कान्ति निधानतोपि, comma, maduram madhurya dhuryadapi. So it's kind of telling that this is greater, your form is greater than the greatest object. It is sweeter than the sweetest thing. It is more shining than the shiniest object. That is like super comparative degree here. So yat trailokya mahiyasopi mahitam सम्मोहनं मोहनात् कान्तं कान्ति निधानतोऽपि मधुरं माधुर्यधुर्यादपि.
यत्रैलोक्यमहीयसोऽपि महितं सम्मोहनं मोहनात् कान्तं कान्तिनिधानतोऽपि मधुरं माधुर्यधुर्यादपि. यत्रैलोक्यमहीयसोऽपि महितं सम्मोहनं मोहनात् कान्तं कान्तिनिधानतोऽपि मधुरं माधुर्यधुर्यादपि.
यत्रैलोक्यमहीयसोऽपि महितं सम्मोहनं मोहनात् कान्तं कान्तिनिधानतोऽपि मधुरं माधुर्यधुर्यादपि. यत्रैलोक्यमहीयसोऽपि महितं सम्मोहनं मोहनात् कान्तं कान्तिनिधानतोऽपि मधुरं माधुर्यधुर्यादपि.
Saundaryottaratopi. So this is one word. Saundaryottaratopi sundarataram, comma, twadrupam ascharyato, and then put a plus at the end of that line. Twadrupam ascharyato pyaschariyam. So say that together, and after pyaschariyam, put a comma. Bhuvane na kasya kutukam pushnati vishno vibho.
Slightly different, Rajesh, in our book.
Actually.
It's Ascharya Topi potirukku.
Adhan, and the Ascharya Topi Ascharyam. Correct?
Okay.
Right? That's what it has, right? Ascharya to api Ascharyam. So it is like, it's more surprising than the, more beautiful than the comparative, right? So on the api plus Ascharyam, so the P plus A is Pya.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay. So that's why we are saying it together. If you're saying it separately, you will say Ascharyato api Ascharyam. If you're saying it as an individual word. Change the children, it becomes Ascharyato Pyascharya. Pya. Pya. Saundharyottaratopi sundharataram त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो.
सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो. सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो.
सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो. सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो.
Stanza 4. तत्तादृङ् मधुरात्मकं तव वपुः सम्प्राप्य सम्पन्मही सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरं नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि तेनास्या बत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञकप्रेमस्थैर्यमयाद चाबलबलात् चापल्यवार्तोऽधभूत्. So tattadrung madhuratmakam tava vapuhu and then comma samprapya sampanmayi comma sa devi paramotsuka comma chirataram naste swabhakteshwapi. So tattadrung madhuratmakam tava vapuhu सम्प्राप्य सम्पन्मही सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरं नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि.
तत्तादृङ् मधुरात्मकं तव वपुः सम्प्राप्य सम्पन्मयी सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरं नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि. तत्तादृङ् मधुरात्मकं तव वपुः सम्प्राप्य सम्पन्मयी सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरं नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि.
तत्तादृङ् मधुरात्मकं तव वपुः सम्प्राप्य सम्पन्मयी सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरं नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि. तत्तादृङ् मधुरात्मकं तव वपुः सम्प्राप्य सम्पन्मयी सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरं नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि.
तेनास्या बत कष्टम् अच्युत विभो comma त्वद्रूप मानोज्ञक and then put a plus prema sthairyamayad. So the prema sthairyamayat achaphala, that's how you break it. So sthairyamayat achaphala, or you say it together sthairyamayad achaphala, right? You can break it, continue that. So chapala balat. So on the bala, after bala you see a small ch and then a full ch. So remove that small ch and put a it instead. So balat and then put a comma. So chapala balat comma. Then chapalya vartoda bhoot. Tenhasya bata kashtamachyuta vibho त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक प्रेमस्थैर्यमयाद चाबलबलात् चापल्यवार्तोऽधभूत्.
तेनास्या बत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक प्रेमस्थैर्यमयाद चापलबलात् चापल्यवार्तोऽधभूत्. तेनास्या बत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक प्रेमस्थैर्यमयाद चापलबलात् चापल्यवार्तोऽधभूत्.
तेनास्याबद कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञगः प्रेमस्थैर्यमयाद चाबलबलाद् चाबल्यवार्तोदभूत् तेनास्याबद कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञगः प्रेमस्थैर्यमयाद चाबलबलाद् चाबल्यवार्तोदभूत्.
Stanza 5. लक्ष्मीस्तावकरामणीयकहृतैवेह्यं परेष्वस्तिरेति अस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते एत्वद्ध्यानगुणानुकीर्तनरसासक्ता हि भक्ता जनाः तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव धैतप्रस्तावदत्ताधरा. So in the previous that is in the stanza 4, right? Bhattacharya is saying, I call Lakshmi Devi little fickle-minded, or she's always changing, because he says she's so attached to your form that she's always residing in you, and she doesn't stay with her devotees for a long time. So prosperity, and the prosperity here doesn't necessarily refer to material prosperity, it's any level of prosperity, of knowledge or anything. But she says Lakshmi Devi doesn't reside with devotees all the time. She stays for some time and then she just goes away. But then she resides with you all the time. So she's fickle-minded. And then in stanza 5, he says, yeah, that I'm pretty sure that is actually the case. He's validating it again, because he says that Lakshmi Devi only resides in places where somebody is saying your praise. So if there are devotees of you who are always saying your praise, then she's automatically going to be there than her own devotees itself. So in 4, it says even in her own devotees' place or heart, she doesn't stay for a long time. But if somebody is always praying to you, she would like to be there because she wants to be associated with you. And then there's also, like in the Bhagavatam or some place, there's some statement where even Lakshmi Devi, Chornamari, there is a statement like that, where she says that I like to be in place where somebody is always praising Vishnu. So anyway, so Lakshmi's Tavaka Ramaniya Kahritayveyam Pareshvasti Re Thi. So add a thi, a small thi at the end of that line. Pareshvasthireti, comma. So next line, if you have a thya, T-Y-A, thya, remove that out and put a and make it asmin. So that we moved the T in the first line, Pareshvastireti, comma, Asmin Nanyadapi Pramanam Aduna, comma, Vakshyami Lakshmi Pate.
Rajesh, I might have missed it. First line, comma, engu illiya.
And the end, only at the very end, Pareshvastireti.
Okay, thank you.
लक्ष्मीस्तावकरामनीयककृतैवेह्यं परेष्वस्थिरेति अस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते.
लक्ष्मीस्तावकरामणीयकहृतैवेयं परेष्वस्थिरेति अस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते. लक्ष्मीस्तावकरामणीयकहृतैवेयं परेष्वस्थिरेति अस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते.
लक्ष्मीस्तावकरामणीयकहृदैवेयं परेष्वस्तिरेति अस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते. लक्ष्मीस्तावकरामणीयकहृदैवेयं परेष्वस्तिरेति अस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते.
ये त्वद् ध्यान गुणानुकीर्तन रसा सक्ता hi bhakta janaha. So put a visarga at the end of that line, janaha. So no comma, only a comma at the very end, janaha. Next line, if you have a is at the beginning of that line, remove that is out. So teshvesha vasati sthiraiva, comma, daita prastava दत्ताधरा ये त्वध्यानगुणानुकीर्तनरसासक्ता हि भक्ता जनाः तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव दयितप्रस्तावदत्ताधरा
ये त्वध्यानगुणानुकीर्तनरसासक्ता हि भक्ता जनाः तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव दयितप्रस्तावदत्तादरा ये त्वध्यानगुणानुकीर्तनरसासक्ता हि भक्ता जनाः तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव दयितप्रस्तावदत्तादरा
ये त्वद्यानगुणानुकीर्तनरसासक्ता हि भक्ता जनाः तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव दयितप्रस्तावदत्तादरा ये त्वद्यानगुणानुकीर्तनरसासक्ता हि भक्ता जनाः तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव दयितप्रस्तावदत्तादरा.
Stanza 6. एवं भूतमनोज्ञता नवसुधा निष्यन्द सन्दोहनं त्वद्रूपं परचिद्रसायनमयं चेतोहरं शृण्वतां सद्यः प्रेरयते मतिं मदयते रोमाञ्चयत्यङ्गकं व्यासिञ्चत्यपि शीतबाष्पविसरैः आनन्दमूर्च्छोद्भवैः एवं भूत मनोज्ञता नव सुधा निष्यन्द संदोहनम. So continuous comma sandohanam. Twadrupam. So in our booklet it says twadrupa, but it should be twadrupam. So twadrupam para chidra sayanamayam. Chidra sayanamayam, comma chetoharam shrinvatam.
Parichit kadeyada. Is it parachid or parichit?
Parachid. Yeah. Because in the para, parachid only, correct. Parachidra. Evam bhuta manognyata navasuda nishyanda sandohanam twadrupam parachidrasayanamayam chetoharam shrinmatam.
एवं भूतमनोज्ञता नवसुधा निष्यन्द सन्दोहनं त्वद्रूपं परचिद्रसायनमयं चेतोहरं शृण्वताम् एवं भूतमनोज्ञता नवसुधा निष्यन्द सन्दोहनं त्वद्रूपं परचिद्रसायनमयं चेतोहरं शृण्वताम्
एवं भूतमनुज्ञता नवसुधा निष्यन्द सन्दोहनं त्वद्रूपं परचिद्रसायनमयं चेतोहरं शृण्वताम् एवं भूतमनुज्ञता नवसुधा निष्यन्द सन्दोहनं त्वद्रूपं परचिद्रसायनमयं चेतोहरं शृण्वताम्.
Third line. Sadhyaha, so you can put a F there to join. Sadhyah prerayate matim madayate, comma, romanchayatyangakam. It's very difficult to break it because it's actually angakam is the last word. So romanchayati angakam. So you can't break it. So romanchayatyangakam, comma, vyasinchatyaphi Shita Bhashpa Visaraihi. So on the after Rai, there is a R there, remove that R and put a Visarga. So Shita Bhashpa Visaraihi, comma. And the next one starts with a A. Ananda Murchodbhavaihi. Sadyah Prerayate Matim Madayate Romanchayatyangakam व्यासिञ्चत्यपि शीतबाष्पविसरैः आनन्दमूर्च्छोद्भवैः
सद्यः प्रेरयते मतिं मदयते रोमाञ्चयत्यङ्गकं व्यासिञ्चत्यपि शीतबाष्पविसरैः आनन्दमूर्च्छोद्भवैः सद्यः प्रेरयते मतिं मदयते रोमाञ्चयत्यङ्गकं व्यासिञ्चत्यपि शीतबाष्पविसरैः आनन्दमूर्च्छोद्भवैः
सद्य प्रेरयते मतिं मदयते रोमाञ्चयत्यङ्गकं वासिञ्जत्यभिषीतबाष्पविसरैः आनन्दमूर्च्छोद्भवैः.
Amuchichi, that last line is vya, not va. Vya.
Vyasi, okay.
Yeah.
सद्य प्रेरयते मतिं मदयते रोमाञ्चयत्यङ्गकं व्यासिञ्जत्यभिषीतबाष्पविसरैः आनन्दमूर्च्छोद्भवैः.
Stanza 7. Evam bhutataya hi bhaktyabihito yogasya yogadvayate karma jnanamayad brishottamataro yogishvare ghiyate saundaryaika rasatmake tvayi kalu prema prakarshatmika bhaktihi nishramameva vishwapurushair labhyarama vallabha. So here, just a thing, like he's saying all the Bhattacharya saying all the sages and everybody have said that amongst all, and this I think we learned in some of the future chapters as well, that amongst all the three paths of yoga, karma yoga, jnana yoga, bhakti yoga, it is said that the love of you, which is purely bhakti yoga, is the most superior form and the easiest way to attain. And in the next stanza he tells why that is, but here he's saying that it has been said by all the sages and everybody that bhakti yoga is the most superior way compared to the other forms of yogas. So evam bhutataya hi bhaktya bihito, comma, yogassa yogadvayat, comma, karma jnana mayat brishottamataro. So there are two, there's a half third and a full third there. Brishottamataro, comma, yogishwarair giyate. Evam bhutataya hi bhaktya bihito yogasya yogadvayate karma jnana mayad brishottamataro yogishwarair giyate.
एवं भूततया हि भक्त्यभिहितो योगस्य योगद्वयात् कर्मज्ञानमयात् भृशोत्तमतरो योगीश्वरैर्गीयते एवं भूततया हि भक्त्यभिहितो योगस्य योगद्वयात् कर्मज्ञानमयात् भृशोत्तमतरो योगीश्वरैर्गीयते
एवं भूततया हि भक्त्यभिहितो योगस्य योगद्वयात् कर्मज्ञानमयात् भृशोत्तमतरो योगीश्वरैर्गीयते एवं भूततया हि भक्त्यभिहितो योगस्य योगद्वयात् कर्मज्ञानमयात् भृशोत्तमतरो योगीश्वरैर्गीयते
Saundaryaika rasatmake tvayi khalu prema prakarshatmika, and then put a plus at the end of that line, so continuously, and then put a plus. Bhaktihi. So after bhakti, there is a ir on top of that ni. So remove that ir on top of that ni and put a visarga, bhaktihi, and put a comma. Nishramam eva Vishwa Purushair Labhya Rama Vallabha. Saundaryaika rasatmake tvayi khalu prema prakarshatmika bhaktihi nishramameva Vishwa Purushair Labhya Rama Vallabha.
सौन्दर्यैकरसात्मके त्वयि खलु प्रेम प्रकर्षात्मिका भक्तिः निश्रममेव विश्वपुरुषैर्लभ्या रमा वल्लभ सौन्दर्यैकरसात्मके त्वयि खलु प्रेम प्रकर्षात्मिका भक्तिः निःश्रममेव विश्वपुरुषैर्लभ्या रमावल्लभ.
So then the last bha is the bha, second bha.
Vallabha.
Yeah.
Okay. Rajesh, is it bha or bha?
It's a bha, second bha.
So, but there is no a there. Like
there's no a there. Yeah.
Veru bha. Okay.
Bha, yeah.
सौन्दर्यैकरसात्मके त्वयि खलु प्रेम प्रकर्षात्मिका भक्तिः निःश्रममेव विश्वपुरुषैर्लभ्या रमावल्लभा. सौन्दर्यैकरसात्मके त्वयि खलु प्रेम प्रकर्षात्मिका भक्तिः निःश्रममेव विश्वपुरुषैर्लभ्या रमावल्लभा.
Stanza 8. निष्कामं नियत स्वधर्मचरणं यत्कर्म योगाभिधं तद्दूरेत्य फलं यदौपनिषद ज्ञानोपलभ्यं पुनः तत्त्वव्यक्ततया सुदुर्गमतरं चित्तस्य तस्माद्विभो त्वत्प्रेमात्मक भक्तिरेव सततं स्वादीयसी श्रेयसी. So in the chapter 4 when we go there, Bhattacharya talks about the Ashtanga yoga. So all the various, how to go through the various modes of yoga. But in this case, he's saying it in a very condensed manner. He's saying, and the karma yoga, and people who know Bhagavad Gita, I know you already all know this. So in the karma yoga, the recommendation is that you do your duty. It's not about just doing your duty, but more importantly, you should be able to do your duties without worrying about the fruits that it is going to give, right? Which is extremely difficult. Everybody is like, oh, I'm doing my duty. But then if you don't get a praise or if it doesn't work out fine, then everybody is upset about it. So that's not karma yoga, right? That is just one portion of the easier portion of the karma yoga, just doing. So that is the karma yoga. So you say, look, this is very complicated because you have to somehow get your mind to be able to do that. And now, second thing is you got to do it over a period of time. You have to kind of get to that point, right, where you're able to achieve that level of stability. That's on the karma yoga. Then on the jnana yoga, he says is this jnana yoga cannot be attained through your sense organs, not through your mouth or nose or none of the sense organs. It has to be, you have to get to that level of intellect to understand things which are very abstract, which are very difficult for a lot of people, right? So he says even that jnana yoga is so complicated. And then he says that's why he says this bhakti yoga is better than all of those things because it is not complicated at all. All you got to do is you have to just fall in love with the Lord. And that's all is required. And when you get there, then you kind of get to that bhakti yoga. And that's when I think it was 76th, right? When Uddhava goes to the place. So there they say, Evam bhakti sakala bhuvane nekshita nashrutava kim shastro yehi Kimiha tapasa gopikabhyo namastu, right? So that's the kind of essence. So here he's saying same thing that that's why bhakti yoga is better compared to these two. So nishkamam niyata swadharma charanam, comma, yat karma yoga bhidam, comma, tad dhuretya phalam yadau panishada jnanopha labhyam punaha. निष्कामं नियत स्वधर्मचरणं यत्कर्म योगाभिधं तद्धूरेत्य फलं यदौपनिषद ज्ञानोपलभ्यं पुनः.
निष्कामं नियत स्वधर्मचरणं यत्कर्म योगाभिधं तद्धूरेत्य फलं यदौपनिषद ज्ञानोपलभ्यं पुनः. निष्कामं नियत स्वधर्मचरणं यत्कर्म योगाभिधं तद्धूरेत्य फलं यदौपनिषद ज्ञानोपलभ्यं पुनः.
निष्कामं नियत स्वधर्मचरणं यत्कर्म योगाभिधं तद्धूरेत्य फलं यदौपनिषद ज्ञानोपलभ्यं पुनः. निष्कामं नियत स्वधर्मचरणं यत्कर्म योगाभिधं तद्धूरेत्य फलं यदौपनिषद ज्ञानोपलभ्यं पुनः.
Tattva, tattva, that because that's one full tha and then two half thas there. So tattva vyaktataya sudur gamataram chittasya tasmad vibho, comma, so continuous and then comma, tvat prematmaka bhaktireva, comma, satatam swadiyasi shreyasi. तत्त्वव्यक्ततया सुदुर्गमतरं चित्तस्य तस्माद्विभो त्वत्प्रेमात्मकभक्तिरेव सततं स्वादीयसी श्रेयसी.
तत्त्वव्यक्ततया सुदुर्गमतरं चित्तस्य तस्माद्विभो त्वत्प्रेमात्मकभक्तिरेव सततं स्वादीयसी श्रेयसी. तत्त्वव्यक्ततया सुदुर्गमतरं चित्तस्य तस्माद्विभो त्वत्प्रेमात्मकभक्तिरेव सततं स्वादीयसी श्रेयसी.
तत्त्वव्यक्ततया सुदुर्गमतरं चित्तस्य तस्माद्विभो त्वत्प्रेमात्मकभक्तिरेव सततं स्वादीयसी श्रेयसी. तत्त्वव्यक्ततया सुदुर्गमतरं चित्तस्य तस्माद्विभो त्वत्प्रेमात्मकभक्तिरेव सततं स्वादीयसी श्रेयसी.
Stanza 9. अत्याह्यासकराणि कर्मपटलानि आचर्य निर्यन्मलाः बोधे भक्तिपदे तवापि उचितताम् आयान्ति किं तावता. क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपथे परं तव वपुः ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनः चित्ताद्दत्त्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः. So atyayas karani karma patalani. So in the patalanya, if you have in and ya there, again the same logic. So you make patalani, short ni, and then put a comma. So karma,
Ni or ni, na or na?
small ni, ni. Because in
Patala-
patalanya irukku, you have the
Patalani.
yeah, but originally some books have it as patalanya.
Yeah, I have it as that, but I didn't know if it was ni or ni.
Yeah, small ni, patalani, comma. So you remove that in and ya. You remove all those two, both of those letters, and make it patalani, comma. And then the next one becomes acharya niryan malaha. Acharya niryan malaha. And then some books do not have a visarga there. So if you don't have it, just put it there at the very end there. Niryan malaha, comma. Bhode bhakti pathetha vapi. Again, same logic. So on the bhakti pathetha vapya அப்படின்னு இருந்ததுனாக்கா just make it bhakti pateta vapi, comma, and then the pu that is there, the pu is what we broke. The pu we broke it into p atava p, comma, uchitatam, then start the next line with the u. Uchitatam ayanti kim thavata. So I'll say from the beginning. Atyayasa karani karma patalani, comma, acharya niryanmalaha bhode bhakti pateta vapi, comma, uchitatam ayanti kim thavata. Atyayasa karani karma patalani acharya niryanmalaha bodhe bhakti pateta vapi uchitatam ayanti kim thavata.
अत्यायासकराणि कर्मपटलानि आचर्य निर्यन्मलाः बोधे भक्तिपथे तवापि उचिततामायान्ति किं तावता. अत्यायासकराणि कर्मपटलानि आचर्य निर्यन्मलाः बोधे भक्तिपथे तवापि उचिततामायान्ति किं तावता.
अत्यायासकराणि कर्मपटलानि आचर्य निर्यन्मलाः बोधे भक्तिपथे तवापि उचितताम् आयान्ति किं तावता अत्यायासकराणि कर्मपटलानि आचर्य निर्यन्मलाः बोधे भक्तिपथे तवापि उचितताम् आयान्ति किं तावता
क्लिष्ट्वा tarkapathe param tava vapuhu. So on top of that ba, if you have a ir, remove the top, and vapuhu, visarga and comma, vapuhu. Next line, next word. Brahmakya manye, brahmakyam anye. So brahmakya manye punaha. So the next line, the fourth line, if you have a ish in your book, you can remove that ish in your book and then make it punaha at the end of the third line. And then a comma. So the next line becomes chi. So chittar dratvam rite. Chittar dratvam rite. Bichintya, comma. Bahubis siddhyanti janmantaraihi. Klishtva tarkapathe param tava vapuhu. Brahmakyamanye punaha chittar drattvamrite vichintya bahubhis siddhyanti janmantaraihi.
क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपथे परं तव वपुः ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनः चित्तार्द्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपथे परं तव वपुः ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनः चित्तार्द्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः
क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपथे परं तव वपुः ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनः चित्तार्द्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपथे परं तव वपुः ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनः चित्तार्द्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः.
Rajesh, is there a pause in the second line?
And the bodhe and the line,
and the chittar
which after vichintya.
Vichintya, oh, thanks.
Stanza 10. Tvat bhaktistu katarasamritajari nirmajjanena swayam siddhyanti bimala prabodha padavim aklesha shastanvati sadhya siddhikari jayatyai vibho saivastu me tvatpada prema praudhirasardrata drutataram vathalayadhishwara. So tvat bhaktistu and then comma katarasa. So katarasa amritajari. So you can't break it that way. So katarasa amritajari nirmajjanena swayam, and then put a plus there at the end. Siddhyanti, and after siddhyanti comma. So one comma after tvat bhaktistu, then second one after siddhyanti comma. Vimala prabodha padavim aklesha shas. You can either say padavim aklesha shas or say it together padavim aklesha shas maklesha tas tanvati. So that's continuous. So siddhyanti, one comma after siddhyanti, that's all. Tvat bhaktistu katharasamritajari nirmajjanena swayam siddhyanti bimala prabodha padavim maklesha tastanvati.
त्वद्भक् कथारसामृतझरी निर्मज्जनेन स्वयं सिद्ध्यन्ति विमलप्रबोधपदवीं क्लेशतस्तन्वती त्वद्भक्तिस्तु कथारसामृतझरी निर्मज्जनेन स्वयं सिद्ध्यन्ति विमलप्रबोधपदवीं क्लेशतस्तन्वती
त्वद्भक्तिस्तु कथारसामृतचरीनर्मज्जनेन स्वयं सिद्ध्यन्ति विमलप्रबोधपदवीमक्लेशतस्तन्वती त्वद्भक्तिस्तु कथारसामृतचरीनर्मज्जनेन स्वयं सिद्ध्यन्ति विमलप्रबोधपदवीमक्लेशतस्तन्वती
Sadyas Siddhikari Jayatyai Vibho, comma, Saivastu me Tvatpada, and then put a plus there, Tvatpada, Prema Praudhi Rasardratha Drutataram, comma after that, Vatalayadishwara. Sadyas Siddhikari Jayatyai Vibho, Saivastu me Tvatpada Prema Praudhirasardhrata Drutataram Vatalayadhishwara.
Sadyasiddhikari jayatyai vibho Saivastu me tvatpada prema praudhirasardhrata drutataram Vatalayadhishwara. Sadyasiddhikari jayatyai vibho Saivastu me tvatpada prema praudhirasardhrata drutataram Vatalayadhishwara.
Sadyasiddhikari jayatyai vibho Saivastu me tvatpada prema praudhirasadrata drutataram Vatalayadhishwara. Sadyasiddhikari jayatyai vibho Saivastu me tvatpada prema praudhirasadrata drutataram Vatalayadhishwara. Krishna Guru Arpan.
Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. That completes the second chapter. So we'll proceed to third. We'll maybe do like 5 or 6 stanzas today, and then we can, or whatever it takes, 20 minutes, right? Next. So the third chapter on this is like it's like about the devotees, right? So this is a pretty nice chapter because it's like it talks kind of like, you know, what people generally go through as a devotee and what kind of a devotee you need to be. So some places we'll go through the meaning of it. So stanza 1. Patanto namani pramada bharasindau nipatitaha smaranto rupam te varada katayanto gunakataha charanto ye bhaktaha tvai khalu ramante paramamune aham dhanyan manye samadigata sarva bhilashitan. She's saying, here it says, I consider the devotees who are, just a quick summary is, who are always involved with you, not worried about anything else, not worried about where they are staying, what they are doing, but always just thinking about you and moving around and praying to you. I consider them to be extremely fortunate. That's what he's kind of saying here. So, Patanto Namani. And we can see here whether you want to break in the middle of the line or not. So, you know, we can see what is convenient for chanting. So, Patanto Namani is a comma. Pramada Bhara Sindhau Nipatitaha, comma. Smaranto Rupam Te, comma. Varada Katayanto Guna Kataha. Patanto Namani Pramada Bhara Sindhau Nipatitaha Smaranto Rupam Te Varada Katayanto Gunakataha.
Padhanto namani pramada bhara sindhau nipatitaha smaranto rupam te varada kathayanto gunakathaha. Padhanto namani pramada bhara sindhau nipatitaha smaranto rupam te varada kathayanto gunakathaha.
Padanto namani pramadabhara sindhau nipatitaha maranto rupam te varada kadayanto gunakataha. Padanto namani pramadabhara sindhau nipatitaha smaranto rupam te varada kadayanto gunakataha.
Charanto ye bhaktaha. So if there's a is there, remove that is and put a visarga and then a comma. Charanto ye bhaktaha, comma. Tvayi khalu ramante paramamun. So the next line there is a na. So remove that na out of the fourth line and make it in at the end of the third line and a comma. Paramamun, comma. Then fourth line start with a a. Aham dhanyan manye samadhigata sarva bhilashitan. So no stop there. Charanto ye bhaktaha tvai khalu ramante paramamune aham dhanyan manye samadhigata sarva bhilashitan.
Charanto ye bhaktaha त्वयि खलु रमन्ते परममून् अहं धन्यान् मन्ये समधिगत सर्वाभिलषितान् चरन्तो ये भक्ताः त्वयि खलु रमन्ते परममून् अहं धन्यान् मन्ये समधिगत सर्वाभिलषितान्
चरन्तो ये भक्ताः त्वयि खलु रमन्ते परममून् अहं धन्यान् मन्ये समधिगत सर्वाभिलषितान् चरन्तो ये भक्ताः त्वयि खलु रमन्ते परममून् अहं धन्यान् मन्ये समधिगत सर्वाभिलषितान्.
Answer 2. गदक्लिष्टं कष्टं तव चरणसेवारसभरेऽपि अनासक्तं चित्तं भवति बत विष्णो कुरुदयां भवत्पादां भोजस्मरणरसिको नाम निवहान् अहं धायं गायं कुहचन विवत्स्यामि विजने. So here Bhattri Padanumba writes he has this rheumatoid arthritis. He's suffering from it right now. He's in that pain and he's in such a pain that he's also not able to write. So he actually has somebody who's writing for him and he's only like saying, right? And somebody's writing for him. So he says, in the previous one, he says, I envy or I consider those devotees who are fortunate who are always thinking about you. And then here he says, but I'm so tormented by the problems I have in my body and the problems I have in my mind, right? The constant, things happening in your mind as well and in the body that I am actually not even feeling the desire to fall on your feet and worship you. I know that is the right thing to do and I get that. But he says, but I actually don't even have the desire because I have so many problems in my mind and so many problems in my body. So he says here, so that's why he says, Dayam Kuru. So please have compassion on me, right? So that I can actually become free from all these things which are affecting my body and mind. And the reason he says, okay, free it up, not so that he can then go and do other things in life. He's saying, remove all those afflictions from my body and mind so that I can constantly be able to worship on your feet, right? And then I'm able to go, and he specifically says here, Kuhachana Vijane Vivatsyami. So I want to go and stay in a place which is uninhabited, because then there's no disturbance of anybody else and nothing else happening. So give me that, eradicate all these things so I can actually go and stay in a place where nobody is disturbing me and I'm constantly worshipping you, right? So this is also like a good prayer stanza. So Gadak Klishtam Kashtam, comma, Tava Charana Seva Rasa Bharepi. So again, small p, bharepi, comma. Then the next line, if you have pya, that pya, replace it with a a. So anasaktam chittam bhavati bata, comma, Vishnu kuru dayam. Gadaklishtam kashtam thava charana seva rasabharepi anasaktam chittam bhavati bata Vishnu kurudayam.
गदक्लिष्टं कष्टं तव चरणसेवारसभरेऽपि अनासक्तं चित्तं भवति बत विष्णो कुरु दयाम् गदक्लिष्टं कष्टं तव चरणसेवारसभरेऽपि अनासक्तं चित्तं भवति बत विष्णो कुरु दयाम्.
गदक्लिष्टं कष्टं तव चरणसेवारसभरेऽपि अनासक्तं चित्तं भवति वद विष्णो कुरु दयाम् गदक्लिष्टं कष्टं तव चरणसेवारसभरेऽपि अनासक्तं चित्तं भवति वद विष्णो कुरु दयाम्
भवत् पादाम्भोज स्मरण rasiko nama nivahan. In at the end of that line, add a in there and a comma, nama nivahan. Then the next line, that na becomes a. So aham gayam gayam. So I want to be constantly singing your praise. So aham gayam gayam, comma, kuhachana vivatsyami vijane. Bhavat padam bhojas smarana rasiko nama nivahan. Aham gayam gayam kuhachana vivatsyami vijane.
Bhavat padam bhojas smarana rasiko nama nivahan. Aham gayam gayam kuhachana vivatsyami vijane. Bhavat padam bhojas smarana rasiko nama nivahan. Aham gayam gayam kuhachana vivatsyami vijane.
Bhavat padambojasmaranarasiko nama nivahan. Aham gayam gayam kuhajana vivatsyami vijane. Bhavat padambojasmaranarasiko nama nivahan. Aham gayam gayam kuhajana vivatsyami vijane.
Rajesh, first in the first line, a comma. I mean, is there a comma at the end of the third line?
Yeah, the nama nivahan. After that, there is a comma.
Okay,
yeah,
thank you.
Nivahan. Stanza 3. Kripate jata chet kimiva nahi labhyam thanubhritam madhiya kleshauga prashamanadasha nama kiyati nakeke lokesmin anishamai shokha bhirahitaha bhavat bhakta muktaha sukagati masakta vidadate. So here, so the chapter Bhattacharya part is a little bit like lamenting in multiple stanzas. So here he's saying, if anybody has your grace, then there is nothing that is not attainable, right? Anything you want is desirable. And he said in multiple places that, you are like that Kalpavriksha tree, you give more than what people ask for, all of that stuff. He says anything is possible if somebody has your grace. So in spite of that, it should not be a big deal for you to kind of remove my pain that I'm sufferings that I'm going through right now. It should be very insignificant, because so many you can achieve anything, right, with the grace. So however, just a small insignificant task for you to get rid of all the pains and sufferings I'm going through. And then he compares and says, I know there are a lot of your other devotees who are roaming around freely, right? They don't have any problems with the body, they don't have any problems with mind, and they are able to constantly be devoted to you and praying to you, all that. So he's saying it is very unfair that they are all able to do that, but then you're giving me so many problems, right? And then I'm not able to enjoy this, or I'm not able to do this, and it should be insignificant for you to just bless me so I can get over this, right? That's what he's saying here. So kripa te jata chet and then comma kimiva nahi labhyam thanubhritam, comma madhiya kleshaugha prashamana dasha nama kiyati. So no pause there. Kripate jata chet kimiva nahi labhyam thanubhritam madhiya kleshauga prashamana dasha nama kiyati.
Rajesh, the second line la எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் சின்ன கீ போட்டிருக்கு, கீயத்தி இல்ல கீயத்தின்னு போட்டிருக்கு.
Kiyati.
Oh, small t. Yeah? Okay, I'll check on that. Okay, because
no, not the t, the ka. Kiyati.
Kiyaki, K-I-Y-A-K-I.
Yes.
KI
Instead of
அதுதான் அது
kiyati.
kiyati சின்ன கீ போட்டிருக்கு. நீங்க kiyatiன்னு
Oh,
சொன்னீங்க.
sorry. Okay, it is a small key only. Kiyati. Nama kiyati. Small
Okay.
key da. I must have said it wrong. Yeah.
कृपाते जाता चेत् किमिव न हि लभ्यं तनुभृतां मदीय क्लेशौघ प्रशमनदशानाम कियती कृपाते जाता चेत् किमिव न हि लभ्यं तनुभृतां मदीय क्लेशौघ प्रशमनदशानाम कियती
कृपाते जाता चेत् किमिव न हि लभ्यं तनुभृतां मदीयक्लेशौघप्रशमनदशा नाम कियती कृपाते जाता चेत् किमिव न हि लभ्यं तनुभृतां मदीयक्लेशौघप्रशमनदशा नाम कियती
Na ke lokesmin. So on that lokesmin there will be double na. So we take one of this na, lokesmin, and then put a comma there. And then the next one it becomes a because we are separating there. So lokesmin, comma, anishamayi. So there, anishamayi, shoka birahitaha. So if you don't have a visarga there at the end, just add a visarga. So shoka birahitaha, comma, bhavat bhakta muktaha, comma, sukha gatima sakta, gatim asakta, gatima sakta vidadhate. न के लोकेऽस्मिन् अनिशमयि शोकाभिरहिताः भवद्भक्ता मुक्ताः सुखगतिमसक्ता विदधते
न के लोकेऽस्मिन् अनिशमयि शोकाभिरहिताः भवद्भक्ता मुक्ताः सुखगतिमसक्ता विदधते न के लोकेऽस्मिन् अनिशमयि शोकाभिरहिताः भवद्भक्ता मुक्ताः सुखगतिमसक्ता विदधते
न के लोकेऽस्मिन् अनिशमयि शोकाभिरहिताः भवद्भक्ता मुक्ताः सुखगतिमसक्ता विदधते न के लोकेऽस्मिन् अनिशमयि शोकाभिरहिताः भवद्भक्ता मुक्ताः सुखगतिमसक्ता विदधते
मुनिप्रौढारूढाः जगति खलु गूढात्मगतयो भवत्पादाम्भोजस्मरणविरुजो नारदमुखाः चरन्तीशस्वैरं सततपरिनिर्भातपरचित् सदानन्दाद्वैत प्रसरपरिमग्नाः किमपरम्. So Munipraudha Rudhaha. Again, if you don't have a visarga, add it there. So these are all corrections I had also made in my books. I don't know why the visarga needs to be there, but anyway. So Rudhaha, comma, Jagati Khalu Ghudatma Gatayo, comma, Bhavat Padambhoja Smarana Virujo Narada Mukaha. So no stop in that line. Munipraudha Rudhaha Jagati Khalu Ghudatma Gatayo Bhavat Padambhoja Smarana Virujo Narada Mukaha.
मुनि प्रौढारूढाः जगति खलु गूढात्मगतयो भवत्पादाम्भोज स्मरणविरुजो नारदमुखाः मुनि प्रौढारूढाः जगति खलु गूढात्मगतयो भवत्पादाम्भोज स्मरणविरुजो नारदमुखाः
मुनि प्रौढारूढः जगति खलु गूढात्मगतयो भवत्पादाम्भोजस्मरणविरुजो नारदमुखाः.
Amuchiji, the first line, Muni Praudha Ruda.
मुनि प्रौढारूढाः जगति खलु गूढात्मगतयो भवत्पादाम्भोजस्मरणविरुजो नारदमुखाः.
Charantisha Swairam, comma, Satata Parinirbhata parachit. So put a plus at the end of the third line. Parachit and join with the it there. Parachit. Sada Nanda Dvaita. So Sada, it's Sada Ananda Advaita. It's three different words. So Sada Nanda Dvaita Prasara Parimagnaha is there. So add that ih to join it. So Parimagna Kimaparam. So only the comma is only after Charantisha Swairam, and then the entire thing is continuous. Charantisha Swairam Satata Parinirbhata Parachit Sadhananda Dvaita Prasara Parimagna Kimaparam.
Charanti Shasvairam Satata Parinirbhata Parachit Sadananda Dvaita Prasara Parimagna Kimaparam. Charanti Shasvairam Satata Parinirbhata Parachit Sadananda Dvaita Prasara Parimagna Kimaparam.
Charanti Swairam Sadata Parinarbhata Parachit Sadananda Dvaita Prasara Parimagna Kimaparam.
Mujaji, after Swairam, we put a pause. So,
no comma after Charantisha.
no, just only after Swairam. Charantisha Swairam.
Charantisha Swairam Sadata Parinarbhata Parajit Sadananda Dvaita Prasara Parimagna Kimaparam.
So next one. Bhavad Bhakti Spita Bhavatu Mama Saiva Prashamayete Ashesha Klesha Ugam Nakhalu Hridi Sandeha Kanika Nache Vyasasyoktih Thavacha Vachanam Naigama Vacho Bhaven Mitya Ratya Purusha Vachana Praya Makilam. So he says, then the previous, the couple of things Bhattacharya has been lamenting, saying, it's unfair and how everybody's, there are people who are able to live and all that, right? So here he says, okay, may my devotion, he's requesting, okay, I get that, but let my devotion to you continue to grow high, right? Because he says at the end, that is the only hope. I have no other alternative. I have no other choice. And he says, I'm saying that because if this is not true, right? If that was not true, although there's no doubt in my mind, but let's say the counter argument, right? If this was not true, then whatever Veda Vyasa has said in all of the scripts, what you yourself, right? So he says, Thavacha Vachanam, what you yourself said in Bhagavad Gita, right? And what everything that people have said in the Vedas, right? Naigama Vachaha, in all the statements of the Vedas, everything that all these things are untrue there. Right? Because everywhere it says the only final option is to kind of be completely devoted. So all of these will become as if some madman is saying some things in the street. It becomes equivalent of that, which I know is not true. So therefore, from the geometry theorem, like you assume that what I'm thinking is wrong, okay, which means that what Veda Vyasa said, what you said, and what Vedas said are wrong, which is like mad people. I know that is not true, which means what I assumed is also not true. So he is kind of saying, therefore, the devotion is the only, logically, he's kind of thinking in his mind, right? So, Bhavat Bhakti, he is there. So, add a is to join. Bhavat Bhaktis Sphita Bhavatu Mama, comma, Saiva Prashamayet, it at the end there. Saiva Prashamayet, comma. So, the next line, the remove it and make it a. Ashesha kleshaugham na khalu hridi sandeha khanika. So that line is continuous. Bhavad bhakti spita bhavatu mama saiva prashamayete ashesha kleshaugham na khalu hridi sandeha khanika.
Bhavad bhakti spita bhavatu mama saiva prashamayete ashesha kleshaugham na khalu hridi sandeha kanika. Bhavad bhakti spita bhavatu mama saiva prashamayete ashesha kleshaugham na khalu hridi sandeha kanika.
Bhavad bhakti spita bhavatu mama सैव प्रशमयेत् अशेषक्लेशौघं न खलु हृदि सन्देहकणिका भवद्भक्तिस्फीता भवतु मम सैव प्रशमयेत् अशेषक्लेशौघं न खलु हृदि सन्देहकणिका
न चेत् vyasasyoktih. Vyasasyoktih. And then there's a is there, remove it and put a visarga, comma. Vyasasyoktih. Tava cha vachanam naigama vacho, and then put a plus. Bhaven mithya. Then after mithya, comma, bhaven mithya. Ratya purusha vachana prayam akhilam. न चेत् व्यासस्योक्तिः तव च वचनं नैगमवचो भवेन्मिथ्या रत्या पुरुषवचनप्रायमखिलम्
न चेद् व्यासस्योक्तिः तव च वचनं नैगमवचो भवेन्मिथ्या रत्या पुरुषवचनप्रायमखिलम् न चेद् व्यासस्योक्तिः तव च वचनं नैगमवचो भवेन्मिथ्या रत्या पुरुषवचनप्रायमखिलम्
न चेद्व्यासस्योक्तिः तव च वचनं नैगमवचो भवेन्मिथ्या रत्या पुरुषवचनप्रायमखिलम् न चेद्व्यासस्योक्तिः तव च वचनं नैगमवचो भवेन्मिथ्या रत्या पुरुषवचनप्रायमखिलम्.
We'll do one more.
Mix it a little in the.
I know that one. Yeah, you said it right the first time. Second time you made a small mistake. That's okay.
Should I say again or no?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, feel free.
न चेद्व्यासस्योक्तिः तव च वचनं नैगमवचो भवेन्मिथ्या रत्या पुरुषवचनप्रायमखिलम्.
Yeah. Let's maybe do one more and then we'll stop. Just say it one time this time so we can finish it on time. Bhavad bhaktistavat pramuka madura tvad gunarasat kimapyarudha chet akhila paritapa prashamani punaschante swante bimala paribodho dayamilan mahanandadvaitam dishati kimatah prartyamaparam. So bhavat bhaktis tavat pramukha madura tvat guna rasat. So continuous comma there. Kimapya rudha chet. So the that is there. So make it a it first. Chet comma. And then the next one starts with the a. Akhila paritapa prashamani. Bhavad bhaktis tavat pramukha madura tvad guna rasat kimapya rudha chet akhila paritapa prashamani.
भवद्भक्तिस्तावत् प्रमुखमधुरा त्वद्गुणरसात् किमप्यारूढा चेत् अखिलपरितापप्रशमनी.
Samuchiti. Just one time, yeah.
Oh, only one time?
Yeah, just one time so we can finish it.
भवद्भक्तिस्तावत् प्रमुखमधुरा त्वद्गुणरसात् किमप्यारूढा चेत् अखिलपरितापप्रशमनी.
Punash shante swante, comma, vimala pari bodhodhaya mila, and then put a plus there to join the next line, but say that milan, say that in with the end of the third line. So vimala paribodhodaya milan mahananda dvaitam. Maha Ananda Advaitam. So Mahananda Advaitam Dishati, comma. So after Swante, comma, and then continuously up to Dishati, comma. Kimataha, so put a F there. Kimatah Prarthyamaparam. Punaschante Swante Bimala Paribodho Dayamilan Mahananda Advaitam Dishati. Kimatah Prarthyamaparam.
पुनश्चान्ते स्वान्ते विमलपरिबोधोदयमिलन् महानन्दाद्वैतं दिशति किमतः प्रार्थ्यमपरम्।
पुनश्चान्ते स्वान्ते विमलपरिबोधोदयमिलन् महानन्दद्वैतं दिशति किमतः प्रार्थ्यमपरम्।
We'll stop here. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. सान्द्रानन्दावबोधात्मकमनुपमितं कालदेशाभरेभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनाः कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि।